Good morning, boys and girls. Please stand and let us sing the song, Six Green and Speckled Frogs. So at the count of three, we will begin. A 1, 2, 3, begin. Six green and speckled frogs sat on the speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. To jump into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 4 green speckled frogs. Coop, coop. 4 green and speckled frogs sat on the speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. To jump into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 2 green speckled frogs. Coop, coop. 2 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. To jump into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 0 speckled frogs. Coop, coop. Very good. Clap for yourself. Please sit. Good. So now can anybody tell me what is the song telling you about? Very good, Mark. It is telling you about numbers. So when you listen to the song, The Frogs, how many frogs jumped at a time? Very good, Sue. 2 jumped at a time. So first, what was the first number that we used? What was the first amount of frogs that was there on the log? 6. Good. And how many jumped into the pool? 2. How many remained? 4. Very good. Then another set jump. How many jumped after? Very good, Run. 2. So when you listen to the numbers that we use, it was 2, 4, and 6. So those numbers are numbers that goes in pairs. It means that it can be divided equally. So those are called even numbers. So today's lesson, we will be looking at odd and even number. So at the end of the lesson, you are going to tell me what is an odd number and what is an even number, and at least give me some examples of same.
Before I give you exercises, we have to look at number pairs this morning, and then you have to tell me whether it's odd or even numbers and spell it for me. So let's start. I have this number here. What number is this? Good, that's number 1. Is it odd or even numbers? Odd number. Good. Can you spell it for me? Very good. O-N-E-1. Good. Next. What number is this? Can you see it? Very good. That's number 2. What do you think is number 2? What kind of number? Odd or even? Even. Good. Can somebody tell me why it is an even number? Okay, that's correct. We can divide this 2 without remaining number, right? It will be 0. The remainder will be 0. The remainder. Good. Next. What number is this? 3. Can you spell it for me? Very good. T-H-R-E-E 3. What number is this? Odd or even? Yes, it's odd number. Correct. Why you think it's odd number? Very good. It can be divided by 2, but it have a remainder 1. Very good. So I have exercise or numbers for you to identify. I have to write them on the blackboard, and then you have to tell me whether it's odd or even numbers. So let me go, and then you will see. I know you can see the numbers on the chalkboard. I have 2 3 numbers on one side and the other 3 on the other side. So as you can see, call out the numbers for me on this side. Very good. Those are 13, 15, and 9. What are the numbers on the other side? Good. 12, 14, and 8. So what do you think are the numbers on this side? Very good. Odd numbers. On the other side, those are the 12, 14, and 8. Yes, even numbers. So, as you can see, as we were explaining earlier, even numbers can be divided by 2 and leave without any remainder. And odd numbers can be divided and leave with a remainder. Do you understand? Okay, so now I have to put you in groups, 2 groups, one on this side and one on the other side. One group can be odd and the other one is even numbers. So the ones on the chalkboard that you see, odd numbers, write out the numbers that you see on the chalkboard, 13, 15, and 9. And the even numbers, the 12, 14, and 8, and divided by 2, any number. Okay, so you have to divide it by 2, any number you choose from there. Odd numbers, are you listening? And the even numbers. And then you have to explain it to me. I have to give you time to do the workout. And then one of you have to present, right? Okay, hope you are finished. Time is up. So the odd numbers, please can one of you stand up and present for me. Very good. You all choose the number 9 and divided by 2. And what remainder you all had? 1. So you divided 2 into 9, 4, 2 times 4, 8, and you minus 8, or you subtract 8 and leave with the remainder 1. Very good. Even numbers. Yes, you choose the number 8, you divide it by 2, and you leave with the remainder 0. Very good. Now I have to give you worksheets for you to work individually. Then you will bring it to me for me to mark and correct it.
So we know that odd numbers are numbers that cannot be divided by 2. And we know that even numbers are numbers that are divisible by 2. And there are no remainders. Good, so now let's answer some questions. So I have 2 numbers here. Can you tell me which of these 2 numbers is the smallest even number? Very good. The number 2 is the smallest even number. Good. So I have another number here. Is this number a odd or even number? Right, that is correct. It is an odd number. Now, why is this number 9 an odd number? Can someone tell me why we say 9 is an odd number? Excellent, good. So odd numbers, we know that this 9, if it can be divided, there would be a remainder, right? So that's why it is an odd number. Good. Now I have the name here of a number. Can you tell me what is the name? What number is this? Very good. This is the number 7. Now, is 7 an odd number or an even number? Excellent. Very good. 7 is an odd number, right? That is very good of you. Correct. Now, look at this name here now. I have another name. Can you tell me what name of which number this is? Good. This is the name for the number 4. Good. Now, Is 4 an odd number or an even number? Right, that is correct. 4 is an even number. Why would we group 4 under the even number column? Can someone tell me? Excellent idea. Good, that is correct. 4, when we divide it by 2, there would be no remainder, right? So 4 is an even number. Very good. Now, I will give you your homework to copy. Your homework would be to circle the odd numbers between 10 and 30 and to underline the even numbers between 10 and 30. Right? Give yourself a round of applause for participating.